Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. Guys, I'm standing right outside Serenity Central Campus back gate. And as promised, I will be showing you guys around the best PGs around Christ University Central Campus. And today we'll be taking tour of one.
So the one that we are touring today is Serenity Hostels. It's very well known around Christ. It has about 10 properties for both girls and boys. And stay tuned to watch it.
Guys, please make sure you watch this video till the very end because we will be discussing about the food, facilities and even the cost. So let's get started.
But before we start, the best part of this property is that it is right opposite
Right,
Christ.
this is Christ University back gate. As you can have a look. Guys, this is the reception area of Serenity Hostels. Behind us is the administration room. However, we just got to know from the property manager that there is no vacant room here for us to see. So don't worry, we will be going to the neighboring building to see the demo room because right now all the rooms in this one is booked.
So guys, now we are at the neighboring property for Serenity Hostels where we can actually go see the rooms because that was full.
Guys, along with us, we have Melbin, who just like us is an ex-Christ, right? Currently, he's the head of properties for Serenity Hostels and he'll be helping us take the tour.
Yes, hi. Hi, welcome, Kapaj. So nice to host you guys. So welcome to Serenity family. It's a family.
Yes.
Actually, it's a family. She's been a part of our Serenity
Yes,
back in
yes.
times. Okay, so let's see the property looks like. So main thing in Serenity which we concentrate on is the security which we give, and in terms of security we have all CCTV surveillance around the building, and when it comes to entry, if you want to enter the Serenity hostel, you have a biometric system. Okay, so it's basically it's a conglomerate of two. So we have normally biometric where we need to have entry. So here we will show the face and then it will detect and get inside. Now I will let's Kavach enter with a card now, so we can enter. Thank you.
And for me too.
After that, I'll show you how it works actually. Yes. Yeah. So this way you need to enter. So all the students in this building will be registered in this particular thing, and the staffs also will be registered in this particular face detection thing.
Guys, now we'll take a tour of the rooms inside. Come, let's go. Okay, so this is a double sharing room.
Yeah, this is a double sharing room. So you will be getting 2 bed cots. So everything which you want, you just have to take your blanket and come down basically.
Okay.
Nothing else we need to
Alright.
do.
Okay, so guys, the study tables are here. You will be needing them in college for sure. Cupboards are also super important to store all the clothes.
And mirrors.
Yeah, very important. So is this the washroom?
Yeah, that's a washroom.
Okay, guys, come. I'll give you a tour of the washroom as well. Okay, so this is the wash basin. This is the bathing area, and that's the WC. So pretty decent.
So guys, now we are going to the 3rd floor to see a triple sharing room. And going by the lift, we are waiting for the lift here and we get right back to you.
So guys, this is the triple sharing room. It has 3 beds and 3 study tables with cupboards for 3 and washroom behind. It's the same like the one that we showed you before. But Melvin, I wanted to know what all are the other facilities that are provided here?
Yes, so when it comes to rooms, so as I already told, all the things for the daily needs, everything is there, and we have housekeeping every day. So every day whenever the students goes, we will clean the rooms and keep it. So
Okay.
that is perfect here. And we have so right now we have the COVID norms which we are following. So that also we are following.
Okay.
And when it comes to the facilities, more facilities, we have Wi-Fi in each room.
Okay.
Each floor also we have. Okay. So and bed sheets, everything we will provide.
Yeah, so like Wi-Fi, electricity, all of that is inclusive.
Everything. There is no additional
Cost,
Yeah.
no hidden cost, yeah,
No
because
hidden cost.
kids are generally very concerned, you know, they pay an amount,
Yeah.
after that they realize they have to pay more, so that
Yes,
shouldn't
for
be.
every extra thing.
Yeah,
there is
that
extra
becomes,
amount.
yeah.
So that is not there. And the only cost which is extra is the laundry. So that
Okay.
obviously you need to book.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. So, but when it comes to laundry, we have an in-house team.
Okay.
We have an in-house laundry as well. So where they will come and pick the clothes in a particular day. So
Okay.
let's say it's Tuesday evening 7 to 8. There will be a collection time.
Okay.
So after next day only. 7 to 8 they will deliver the things. So in
Oh,
a
wow.
day's time they will come. They will
Okay.
get it back. So
So they just have to give the clothes and pay
Yes.
the bill at the end. of
yes,
the
yes. So and for us, it's an in-house laundry. So apart from all the area rates and all, we'll pay a discounted price.
month. Okay, so that's
So
good.
that's the main thing for an in-house laundry which we are having.
So Melvin, what about the dorm wardens?
Yeah. In let's say if we have 6 floors in one building,
Right.
so each floor is having warden in this.
Okay.
building.
Oh.
Yeah. So each floor having residential warden who will stay there. So they will be
Oh.
having rooms there. So they will be staying there 24/7.
So
we
you
have
can approach them anytime.
Yes, yes.
And like parents are also in touch with the wardens.
Yeah. Each floor warden numbers, everything will be connected to the parents also at the time of admissions.
Oh, okay.
So there is no confusion as such. So night wardens also there, daytime also they have wardens. So each floor, 6 floor means 6 wardens night and day.
Wow.
Yes,
That's-
that's how it is managed. So,
Okay.
so anything the student wants. So if they have a medical emergency also, they will help you out.
So guys, we are now at Serenity Homes. Melvin, what's the difference between like hostels and the new home?
Yes, so basically Serenity Hostel and Homes. Home is a new concept where it's like a home. Basically, it's a 1 BHK, 2 BHK concept where 2 people can share or 4 people can share, you know, respectively in the rooms, and it's completely furnished. You know, you will be having your furniture set, your microwave, kitchen equipment, your fridge, your
Okay.
pots, everything will be set.
So
in
it's
there.
more of like an apartment
Yeah, it's like an
that
apartment
people will be.
concept, but like hostel, we will be providing food, whatever it is, you know. Whatever a hostel is providing, we will be providing.
So all the rules, regulations
Yes.
are pretty valid here.
Same.
Okay, great.
So, but it's more spacious.
So guys, this is their 1 BHK room that I'm going to be showing you. It will accommodate 2 girls. Come have a look. This is like an open space. This has sofas and a television. So this is like an open space where you can chill. Right here is the kitchen, and each room is provided with a fridge, a microwave, and an induction cooker. So this is where you can like chill, relax. This is the room inside. Okay, so 2 beds for 2 people, and we have study table there, and the almirah. There will be 2 almirahs. I'll also give you a tour of the washroom. Here's the washroom. So this is like the bathing area, the WC, and the wash basin. I guess the best part is like this looks pretty spacious.
So guys, this is their 2 BHK room that will be accommodating 4 people.
Yeah.
And here is how it is. So this is like a seating area, like a living room with a TV. And here we have the first room. It is a spacious room with 2 beds, and we can move on to the washroom now. Here. Now we can see, so there's another room here, and it's exactly the same. So it's again a 2 BHK. But the bathroom for this room is actually an attached one. So this is a kitchen area. with like a refrigerator, microwave, and cooking appliances.
Guys, we'll be touring the recreational area. So behind us is the gym that they have. Along with that, guys, they provide free memberships to a nearby gym. So you can even ask that at the reception. So you guys will be given a card and you can use like a full-fledged gym as well.
Now guys, to the part that I love the most is the movie theatre. So I was actually sold to this idea of having a movie theatre. And this is it. And that's the screen there. And seating area. And then there are also study tables if you want to come along with your friends, sit for a while for a group study and just you want to be in a quiet area. So this would be the area I think you guys can try. So guys, now we are at the rooftop of the Serenity Girls Hostel and let me give you a tour of their pool.
Guys, I am at the rooftop of the boys' hostel. But before I show you anything, have a look of the Bangalore city. It looks amazing from here. And guys, don't forget to have a look of Christchurch Central Campus. It's a pretty good view here. It's Sunday, so it's off. Also guys, I'll show you guys block 4. That block there was where I studied when I was at Christ University. And here guys is the boys swimming pool. All the boys from Serenity Hostel are allowed to use this pool whenever they want to.
So guys, now we are at the dining hall and I personally can vouch for Serenity's food because the quality of food here, I have tried it and it's amazing. They provide all 4 meals that includes a tea with snack in the evening.
Also guys, they don't call themselves as PGs, they call themselves as hostels because they have strict rules, regulations, deadlines, you have biometric attendance, all of that. So there is no funky stuff and I can say like this, like you can chill but inside the hostels because you have to live by the curfew that they have set for themselves.
Also, they do have counseling sessions and sessions on stock market.
They do conduct like a lot of workshops,
Yeah.
And I guess that's a good thing, like builds up, helps in building like community and all of that. And a lot of learning.
So guys, now we are at the end of our Serenity tour. And I'm pretty sure you all would want to know about the costing structure for the properties that we showed you.
So guys, their triple sharing rooms range around 14,000 to 16,000 rupees per month. Their double sharing rooms range around 17,000 to 19,000 rupees per month per individual. And the apartment rooms that we've just shown you right now, they range 22,000 rupees per month. Now this cost is inclusive of everything, all the amenities, food, all of that. I will be putting down the details of Serenity Hostels in the description of the video. So you guys can check it up and you guys can reach out to them if you want to book up your stay here.
So guys, now I hope you liked the video.
It was a very demanded video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end, guys. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries. And
Please share the video with your
please
friends.
share the video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Also, please subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon.
Bye, guys. Take care. Bye.